Bam, sasa tuanzie katika ukuzaji talanta humu nchini. Kamati ya Olimpiki nchini kiongozwa na rais wake Shadrick Maluki imetia wino katika mkataba ambao wameingia makubaliano na chuo kikuu cha Koitalel ambacho hasa watazindua kambi ya mazoezi na mafunzo kwa wanariadha ikiwafaa zaidi kujiandaa kwa ajili ya mashindano ya humu nchini na hata michuano ama michezo ya Olimpiki. Tuwasikize washikadau wanazungumziaje hasa hatua hiyo na itawafaa vipi wanamichezo wetu.
Today we formalize a strategic partnership between NOCK Kenya and the Koitalel University College through the signing of a memorandum of understanding. This partnership will facilitate the establishment of the Olympic Africa Center. The Olympic Africa Center aligns with the national policy priorities on youth empowerment, education, and sports development. It supports NOCK Kenya's mandate to promote Olympic values and use sport as a tool for social development. The role of the Olympic Africa Center is to provide structured access to sport for young people, promote values-based education, leadership, and life skills, and also to strengthen community engagement through sport and learning. We know that Kenya doesn't lack talent, but we need to ensure that we grow the talent, even promote it further. The National Olympic Committee of Kenya, which I lead, is transforming sports from just recreation to an industry. We want to ensure that our youths earn decent money, decent earnings from their sports, from their talents.
Koitalel Samoei University, unlike all other universities in the country, public and private universities, as we have selected sports science as our area of commitment, or called niche area. Different universities have their areas of strength. Koitalel, we selected sports science. So we do not take for granted what you have done to us, but we also, in the same vein, request, Bwana President, that this journey we have started, let us work together all the way. Let NOCK and Koitalel work together to grow Koitalel to be the center of excellence in sports science in this country.
Haya, bam, tukiachana na NOCK